I don't have to tell you what everyone's talking about these days. You know, right? Yes, Endiran. Though all eyes are on this forthcoming science fiction movie, our ears have already perked up with the music of this Rajinikanth and Aishwarya Rai starrer. It's time to tune in and check out the melody, trance and rhythm of Endiran. From superstar to super robot, Rajinikanth is back, and this time with Shankar's futuristic film Endiran. With music by Mozart of Madras A.R. Rahman, the album has hit the stands in the stores across the city and is already topping charts. Welcome to the infectious, unusual and hypnotic sound of Endiran that is leaving the audience in a trance. Like the futuristic tracks that capture one's imagination, the record label Think Music also has several innovative plans for distributing and promoting Endiran's content. From promoting blockbusters like Payya, Madrasapattinam and Chikkabukku, Think Music says that they are all set to break several records with their 75th movie Endiran.
When we heard the music for the first time, we knew it was going to be an instant hit. We decided we'd not just stop with making CDs, we'd venture into the digital world. So we started, preparing our content for different storefronts like iTunes, Amazon, eBay. So you will find all of our content available there. Apart from this, we also launched our own mini store at endiranthemovie.in. At this mini store, you can not only buy tickets, you can also win a free badge and poster along with every purchase. And we've also sweetened the deal by pre-selecting 5,000 tickets, which will be available for the movie when it releases in the first week. We are creating USB sticks with Rajinikanth branded imagery on it. We're doing SD cards where we're preloading the content directly onto mobile phones. We've got a door delivery number, so if you call us at that number, we deliver the CD to your house at your doorstep.
Endiran's content can be accessed via the mini store online at www.endiranthemovie.in, where one can buy the 7 tracks either as singles or as an album. One can also access the music through mobile applications, where one listens to the tracks on the phone, downloads wallpapers, lyrics both in English and Tamil, and mail their favorite songs using Twitter or Facebook. Think Music is thus providing legal alternatives for people to download music.
From day one, we've been talking with antipiracy.org, a company based in the US, to make sure that all of the content that comes out is really legal, and all of the pirates who are uploading content online, they're notified legally, and all of that content is being pulled off consistently on a daily basis. So up to now, we've pulled off around 1,200 sites which are online, which hosts Endiran content legally just within the first couple of days of its release.
With a grand audio launch on July 31st in Malaysia, the music is already wafting through leading radio channels and is on the most sold category in the world on iTunes.
Kilimanjaro is currently played on radio over 30 times a day, and that's a record. It's straightaway shot to number 1 to the A category in all of the radio channels in Chennai today, Chennai and Tamil Nadu. So that's clearly the winner. Apart from that, there's another song called Arima Arima, which has some nice sensual beats to it. It's it's very empowering to sort of hear the song. And there's also Kadal Anukal, which is very nice guitar strummy, romantic number, typical Rahman signature kind of song. So it has something for everyone. Every target group will, want to associate themselves with one song or the other.
The team at Think Music has worked tirelessly, packaging nearly 2.5 lakh CDs. The album, which is classic Rajinikanth, Rahman and Shankar, is definitely a winner and has already won several hearts world over. The temperature continues to rise as the Endiran fever blazes on. The team at Think Music is definitely an excited group. The reason being, they recently got an opportunity to meet the superstar himself. Well, this surely makes the entire experience of working on this project a fulfilling one. Moving on from techno tunes to health food, the new mantra of our metro is healthy living. Keeping this in mind is the French bakery La Boulangerie, who have come up with a range of healthy breads. And they claim that our search for healthy today and tomorrow ends now. Let's have a look. The team at La Boulangerie wants us to get fit and head to their nearest outlet. Known for their range of quiches, croissants and gâteaux, one wonders how to remain fit with such calorie-rich treats. La Boulangerie says that the answer to this question lies in their newly launched Oven Fresh Health Breads.
The health benefits of those breads vary, anywhere from diabetes to prevention of cardiovascular disease, to obesity, to high blood pressure, and we thought that it was important to introduce this range. India has the leading number of diabetics in the world, and the list is followed by China and the USA. So we just thought that there was a huge requirement in the city of Chennai, and hopefully we can expand to the other cities in India to fill that void and to give people that those breads and those products.
At La Boulangerie, you're not only buying all these yummy things, but you also get to see eye candy interiors that adds to the entire experience of healthy living.
La Boulangerie, apart from its regular range of authentic French breads, we have introduced our Oven Fresh Health. This actually includes 4 special breads, one of them being the whole grain loaf, the second one an extra fiber loaf, the third one a 5-seed loaf, and then the 5th bread being a 5-seed bread.
And the ingredients that make these breads healthy and tasty: wheat bran, broken wheat, oat bran, white oats, sunflower seeds, linseed, and also traditional Indian ingredients like millet, maize and ragi. Besides these health benefits, La Boulangerie also offers nutritional facts per serving, portioning charts and list of ingredients with the products. The man who's got his hands in all the pies is Chef Dharma Adhikari, who has come up with quick and easy recipes as well. All you need are some simple ingredients, one of the Oven Fresh Health Breads, and voila! Scrumptious Scandinavian toast and cheese and garlic toast are ready. With an in-house production unit, La Boulangerie's plans are not modest. With 9 outlets already in the city, La Boulangerie plans to go places.
Well, the first thing that we're working on is our flagship outlet. It's going to be our Cafe La Boulangerie on Greenways Road, and it is due to open the first part of September. And then followed by that, Kelly's and Viperi area, we are planning a full vegetarian bakery to fill that demographics need. And then after that, I think the first city that we're planning to venture into would be Bangalore.
What's astonishing is that these health breads comprise of only 0.6 grams of salt per serving and 1.25 grams of sugar. Amazing, isn't it? So it's time for us to ditch fast food and head to La Boulangerie for a healthy and a delicious meal. Share your views, thoughts and stories on this lively metro by mailing in to us at feedback@ndtv-hindu.com. Until then, keep watching the Metro Plus show.